How to make a watermark on Capcut. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a watermark in Capcut. Adding a watermark is a great way to brand your videos, so stay with me till the end and let's get started. First, open Capcut. Here, tap on Start a New Project. Import your video clip. Go to the Text tool and tap Add Text to create your watermark. Type the text for your watermark, like your name, brand, or logo. Customize the text by changing the font, size, and color to match your style. Adjust the opacity to make the text semi-transparent, so it blends naturally into your video. Resize and position the text watermark in a corner of your video where it's visible but doesn't block important content. Add animations to your watermark. Select the watermark again and tap the Animation tab from Menu Line. Choose like a fade in or fade out effect if desired. Preview your video to ensure the watermark looks perfect throughout the clip. Once you're satisfied, export your video and your watermark is ready to go. And that's how you make a watermark on Capcut. It's a quick and easy way to protect your content and keep your brand visible. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.